Welcome students, 6th class mathematics exercise 3.7. In this exercise we have studied first 3 questions. Now come to solve question number 4. Read the question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. In this question we need to find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. First find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Find the prime factors of 6. Write 6 number, then divide this 6 by first prime number 2, 2 3s are 6, then divide by 3, 3 1s are 3. Second number 8, divide 8 by first prime number 2, 2 4s are, once again 2 2s are, next 2 1s are, and take the next number 12, divide 12 by first prime number 2, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Therefore, 6 can be written as 6 is equals to 2 into 3, 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore, in all the prime factorization of 6, 8 and 12, the factors are 2 and 3. In the prime factorization of 8, 2 appeared maximum number of times, that is 3 times, and 3 appears only once. In the prime factorization of 6, 1 time, in the prime factorization of 12, 1 time. Therefore, LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equals to, first write 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into, then write 3 only 1 time. Now take the product, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 24 is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now divide this smallest 3-digit number 100 by LCM of 6, 8 and 12, that is 24. 24 4s are 96. Subtract 96 from 100, we get the remainder 4. Therefore, 24, now subtract this remainder in the divisor. Therefore, 24 minus 4 is equals to 20. Therefore, the smallest 3-digit number, therefore, the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by, which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and 12 is, smallest 3-digit number is 100, add this 20 to the 100, it is equals to 100 plus adding the difference of divisor and the remainder, it is 20, that is equals to 120. Therefore, the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is equals to 120. Next question number 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. In this question, we need to determine the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So, to find the number greatest 3-digit number divisible by 8, 10 and 12, first find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. In the question number 5, first find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Find the prime factorization of 10. Divide 10 by 2, 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Second number is, take next number 8. Divide 8 by first prime number 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next number, it is 12. Find the prime factors of 12. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Therefore, 8 can be written as 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. 10 is equals to 2 into 5. Then 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore, LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is equals to, in all the prime factorization of number 8, 10 and 12, the factors are 2, 3 and 5. Maximum number of 2 appears in the factorization is 3. Maximum number of factor 3 appears is 1 and maximum number of 5 appears 1. Therefore, LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is equals to, write 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, into take 3 one time, into take 5 one time. That is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Therefore, the LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 120. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. We know that the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Therefore, now the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Dividing this 999 by 120, divide 999 divided by 120. Now, 128 is 960. Subtracting 960 from 999, we get the remainder 39. Now, take the difference of 999 and this remainder. Subtracting 39 from 999, we get 360. 999 minus 39, it is 360. Therefore, this is the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Therefore, the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12 is 960. Therefore, the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12 is 960.